So let's go into here. Now, I have this highlighted because if you were here last time, you'd know that I had some confusion about the time kanji I put. And there's very good reason for that. I think the autofill for word gave me the wrong kanji. So I'm gonna try to do it again. Ichi. Ah, see? It gave me this autofill. But this kanji right here is the kanji for month. So this doesn't say 11, it says November, because November is the 11th month. So I just automatically put that in and then followed it with G/Toki. And that's what gave me so much confusion. So like, if we do the furigana for this, it's Juichigatsu. Gatsu meaning month. So that's something I'm gonna have to take care of not to be confused by in future. Because it caused me so much confusion in the moment last time. And I was actually adding the furigana off screen, but then when I noticed that while I was doing that, I realized I should probably wait to do it on stream, since the whole point of me streaming me studying is so that you guys can learn along with me. So if something else like that happens, it'd be good to have it take place on stream with you guys. So now for each lesson, I'm gonna have to take time to stop and add furigana to all the kanji that I didn't do before. So this is Nichiobi, which means Sunday. And then ikimasu, the verb iku, which means go. Let's see. Ooh, this one, I don't know all of it, but let's see what it says. It's 10時45分. So 10時 10 45分. 45 and fun or pun can mean minute. So this is 10:45. And yes, 10:45. And this should be O because of okimasu. Yeah. Now September. We know that the second one is gatsu, but what does the first one say? Ah, yes. Kugatsu. Which I think it says kugatsu because 9 in Japanese is Q. And then kaerimasu, which means to return. Have the notes of not using it time relative. Shumatsu. Nani o shimasu ka? And shimasu ka is the question version of suru, which is to do. So, what will you do on the weekend? Watashi I think this is gonna be Kyoto. Or, no, Kyogakko. My bad. There was a bunch of stuff with Kyoto earlier, I think. Kyogakko. And ikimasen. Masenka. Let's go ahead and look over the lesson for Masenka. Masenka is a present tense negative verb plus the question particle to extend an invitation. Basically the same as what I have. It's just that they give multiple examples with responses as well. But they also say, yes, the affirmative counterpart masuka cannot be used. So, hiru gohan wo tabemasu ka can only be construed as a question and not an invitation. To invite someone, you must say masen ka. Hiru gohan. Ne? Tabemasen ka. And then the word order that made me very confused, that I had to put the explanation right in my document. And I took these examples and broke them down in my document itself, so I'd say that mine is actually a bit more complex, so that I could get a better understanding of it. Watashi wa kyou toshokan de Nihongo. Oh, I recognize this one. I recognize this background music. Oh dear, hopefully when I upload it I don't get a copyright struck. Oh no. Toshokan wo benkyou shimasu. Ben? Did I accidentally forget to put kyo for benkyo? Wait, hang on. Benkyo. Oh, it's only been kyo. Benkyo. Right, pretty sure that's right, but I think I'll go ahead and... Excuse me, can I not? G-show time! Gotta look up benkyo. Yeah, it's 2 and it does that. It's just that word somehow only put in the ben in benkyo for... That's odd. So yeah, benkyo shimasu. Here. Watashi wa... Let's see. Shichiji. Shichiji? Is that correct? It is, it is. Shichiji. That's difficult to say. Shichiji goro. Uchi e kaerimasu. A little fun fact about uchi here. I actually spoke to a Japanese friend about the different kinds of ways to say home, because I tried looking up house and uchi by itself, but it gave me different responses. So the way they explained it to me is that uchi, when it means your house, is the kanji for person inside of a box. The person inside the box, that is their home. So that makes it somewhat easier to remember.